What's up? Welcome back again, Dan Davis. In today's video, mag-unbox na naman tayo ng mga gadget. Okay, so today, mag-unbox tayo ng isang gaming monitor from ACER model EG220Q Pbipx. Okay, so I will take this opportunity. Gusto ko muna magpasalamat sa 1,000 subscribers. Wait guys, naka 1,000 subs na tayo. 1,000 subscribers in less than a month. So, thank you so much. So, maraming salamat sa inyo. Hopefully, dumami pa yung mga subscribers ko at mga viewers ko. And once again, thank you so much. 1,000 subs. Wow. So, ito guys, yung monitor. Ayan, ang bigat. Ang bigat. So this is the ACER EG220Q. And guys, tignan nyo. So before tayo mag-unbox guys, sasabihin ko muna sa inyo yung specs ng monitor na to. This is the ACER model EG220Q. Panel type is 21.5 inches, twisted pneumatic. Okay, resolution nito is Full HD 1920 1080. So ang refresh rate nito is 144 Hz at 1 ms response time. So ang viewing angle nito is 90H65B. AMD Freesync to guys at mountable din to. Okay, gusto ko muna magpasalamat once again sa Lenin Computer System for making this video possible. Kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng ganitong monitor at mag-shop online, punta lang kayo sa shoplenincomputers.com. If you want to know more about Lenin Computer System, watch this short video.
Guys, for more information, you can visit their official website, shoplenincomputers.com. This is actually a great news. You can now shop online. Introducing their Lenin e-store. You just simply register and order the product you need. And their mode of payments are through cash on delivery, video banking transfer, and M-Lulier. For more inquiries, you can contact them in their Viber account. All information about Lenin Computer System is given in my description below.
So okay, huwag na natin patagalin. Unbox na natin to. Actually, ngayon lang ako nakakita ng monitor na 21 inches, 22 inches na yung response time niya is 1 ms, 144 Hz. Kasi kadalasan kasi guys, yung mga ganyang specs is nilalagay nila sa 23, 24 inches, 27, yung mga ganong specs po. Pero first time ko nakakita ng monitor na 21 inches, ganito yung specs niya. Well, malalaman natin yung ganda ng monitor. Iti-test natin to mamaya, bubuksan natin to sa PC. Okay, so this is the ACER EG220Q. So buksan na natin. Yung SRP price pala nito is 5,995 pesos. So sa Lenin nyo lang mabibili ang 5,995 guys. So browse nyo na yung online shop nila. So first in the box is we have switching adapter. Ayan guys, may switching adapter siya papuntang monitor. So meron din tayong ito. I think this is for the stand. We will check later. We have also the this one. So may isang connector pa tayo dito. May cable pa. So we have also this is the stand. Ito yung stand ng monitor. See? Ganda siya guys. Tigas yung plastic niya. Oops! Huwag kang ma-excite. Relax lang. So ilalabas na natin yung mismong monitor. So this is the monitor. Okay. And guys, ACER logo. Later, check natin yan later. Okay. So, dito pa na ito siya. So meron siyang HDMI cable. Yan guys. So may free na siyang HDMI cable. Good. So meron din siyang, alam niyo na, manual. So ayan, may manual siya. Basahin niyo ha. Basahin niyo ang manual na ito. Wow. So, this is the ACER EG220Q. May ACER logo siya sa baba. This is the back portion. Meron din siyang ACER logo dito. May 4 na hole kasi ito pwede to siya mountable. So, meron siyang HDMI. May DP din siya. DisplayPort. Lagyan din siya ng speaker dito or headset. Kasi itong monitor guys is plus audio out. Ito yung power niya, saksakan ng power. So ito yung nakalagay sa likod guys, tingnan nyo. So nandito din guys yung mga button niya, yung mga power button. Nandito yung mga adjustment, yung mga brightness, settings. Ganda yung texture niya, makinis. So setup na natin siya, madali lang ito yung setup. So this is the stand. Ayan yung stand niya. So ito, i-connect na lang ito dito. Napaka basic. Ayan guys, kita ba? So ganito lang, okay? Ayan. Oh, ayan. Dapat may manunig ka lang. This is the HDMI. So yung haba niya is around nasa 1.5 meter. Ito naman yung switching adapter niya is nasa 1.5 meter din. So okay na, mahaba na siya. Ayan guys. So itatry na natin siya sa PC. Kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe to my channel. Let's go!
Sports welcomes you to You're looking live and down at the impact the game in so many ways. DA, thank you. Quite a few injuries here between the two teams. 5 players out tonight.
5 players scratched from the game. If you're one of the healthy players, you're going to get all you can eat.
And now the Lakers starting group. LeBron and Green make up the backcourt. Caldwell Pope out there with Anthony Davis. And it's McGee in at the pivot spot. And there's the pass to Green. Nice ball movement here by the Lakers. Smitty, we have great athletes on the
Clean shot against them.
Morris outside. And it's JaVale McGee with the foul. That is his first foul of the game. Just over a minute and a half played here in this one. George passes to Shamet. To the wing on the left. Everly for 3. LeBron with the block.
When he blocks shots, they are usually on the highlight reel. LeBron James with another one.
Pass to Beverly. Shot clock at 5. Here's George. The jumper from the free throw line is good.
anong masasabi niyo sa monitor na to? Di ba okay na okay siya sa SRP price niya na 5,995 pesos. So ayun guys, that's it for today. So once again, thank you sa 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. I hope dumami pa kayo, dumami pa tayo. Palaguin natin tong channel na to. So thank you sa mga help nyo, sa mga views nyo. Thank you so much. So yun lang guys. See you next time. See you next video. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, click mo na yung subscribe button, tsaka bell button. Lahat ng button dyan, click mo na yan guys. Okay, so my name is Dan Davis and peace.